We chop it up, we drop the cup. Look out for us, cause here we come.
I'm starting to blow, thinking how far can we go? Work hard for the dough, we dope, but you already know. We dropping the cup, Rob start chopping it up. Oh my God, we stay hard, never softening up. And we rocking it rough, tough to my pockets and stuff. Love hip-hop and clocking the bucks, how can I get enough? This shit's ridiculous, I say fuck the fickle. I'm particularly wicked while I kick it with the nickel-plated 9. So I can hit you in the nick of time. Hit the nicest I can find, every night's a different dime. I was a crazy little devil at an early age. Been raised in hell, still I'm trying to reach your pearly gates. But with my family I would separate your vertebrae. That girl was last night, I think I'm taking her today. I'm having bad dreams, people wanna murder me. Well, that's the word, at least first, second, and third degree. Shoot first and then ask the questions if there's a burglary. I'm a bad man, mad child, you might have heard of me.
We chop it up, we drop the cup. Look out for us, cause here we come. We chop it up, we drop the cup. Look out for us, cause here we come.
Come on, listen suckers, obey the law. Battle axe warriors waging war. Burn the roof off, crack the floor. You used to be king, we say those days no more.
Yeah, not done till my group's number one. Till I'm proud of what I done under the clouds and the sun. Cause we are better than the rest of them. That there's the battle axe crew, don't go testing them. A lot of rappers getting on my nerves today. I told you homeboy, gangsta, not the word to play. You hide behind the image without putting in the work, and wonder why you end up looking like a fucking jerk.
Oh, that was so cool.